Hi guys, today I will show you how to safely clean your AirPods Max with just household items. Let's start with the things that you will need. First, get yourself some fresh water at room temperature. Please make sure that the water is not too hot as a precaution. Then you will need some clean lint-free cloth, preferably 2 or 3 of them. Then get a soft brush. I am using my Better Half's makeup brush, but feel free to use any type. As long as the bristles are soft, they will work just fine. You can also use alcohol wipes if you have any around, but this is optional. And also optional is isopropyl alcohol spray. But what is essential here is a liquid fabric detergent. Please do not use powder detergent because they do not always dissolve properly in water. Now to start the cleaning process, take your brush and start removing all the fine dust particles. You may also use a baby's toothbrush or a paintbrush as long as the bristles are soft. The idea is to not damage anything delicate on the AirPods Max by exerting excessive pressure with a firm brush or any abrasive material. Then dip your lint-free cloth on clean water a little bit so that the cloth is damp and not soaking wet. And then start working from the headband first. You want the cloth to be damp because that will prevent any liquid flowing into the headband attachment point. Then I will clean the back of the ear cups before I finally move to the inside of the ear cups. Now I have deliberately left this part to be cleaned at the last because by the time I am here, the damp cloth is a lot drier. This area has a lot of openings, so you want to be extra careful here with wet stuff. Apple on their official website suggests that you use another dry towel to wipe the AirPods Max as soon as you finish wiping with the damp cloth, which I am not going to do because I have made sure my cloth is just the right amount of damp so that it dries off very soon. Now if you can, then get yourself some alcohol wipes as they are a lot safer than using damp cloth, especially when cleaning the internals of the AirPods Max as they dry off immediately. But using the towel and water is also fine as long as the water is of room temperature. And do remember to clean this area at the last so that the towel dries itself a little bit. And same as the towel, if you were to use the alcohol wipe, I would suggest that you start from the top of the headband of the AirPods Max again as the wipe will lose some of its moisture. Now by the time I am at the back of the ear cup, you can already see that it is drying off immediately. Now you can clean the inside of the ear cup with no worries of damaging the internals. You can also clean the AirPods Max with isopropyl alcohol. It is exactly the same like the alcohol wipe that I just used before. As soon as you spray and wipe, it dries off, so it is also very safe to use. And now let us clean the AirPods Max's ear cups. Now these things are made out of fabric, so you can clean them with soap. But a quick tip, never clean them with hot water. Then there are chances that the colors might fade, so please make sure that you use normal water. Now for the soap, it's best to use a liquid detergent that is gentle on fabric. I generally use a very small drop of this liquid and then give it a good mix in water. Then I dip a cloth on this mixture and start wiping the ear cushions of the AirPods Max. Here you do not have any electricals to worry about, so if it gets dripping wet, then do not worry. Repeat the same process for all the sides and for both the ear cushions as much as you need to get any stains or smell off. Then get another glass of fresh water and this time get another piece of fresh cloth and then dip that in water and start washing away the soap water from the AirPods Max's cushions. Now Apple recommends that you leave the ear cushions out of the AirPods Max at least for 24 hours to dry before reattaching them. You can also clean the smart case of the AirPods Max with dry lint-free cloth and isopropyl alcohol, or you can use the alcohol wipe that I showed you earlier. Apple does recommend using isopropyl alcohol for the AirPods Max's smart case, but if you do not have that, the soap solution works just fine. Just wipe that soapy solution away with another fresh towel and you are done. So that's it from me today guys. If you liked watching this video, then do not forget to like, share and subscribe. This is Nafis signing off till next week. Peace.